Good morning. NDA has released the admit cards for the CUET examination from 13th to 20th of March. Now, if you go on to the details, the examinations would be conducted from 13th March to 1st April, and the admit card for the first slot has been released. You can download it by using your login. If you go on to the date sheet which has been released, starting 13th March, the exams have been scheduled. So, up to the 19th March, the list of examinations, which include healthcare management, geology, public health, food, architecture, philosophy, mathematics, arts and aesthetics, have been released. Now, what we would recommend during this little period is to prepare for these topics very, very carefully. Now, you can go through the PYQs and the lectures in certain topics if you find those difficult. But yes, a proper strategy and a proper methodology would help you through. The examinations would be conducted in three shifts, shift 1, 2 and 3. So based on the subjects that you have opted for, you can go for each of the shifts which is assigned. Again, it's important to note that many students have filled one or more than one forms subjects in their list. So most of the cases the subjects are scattered, so you won't find it difficult. And even those subjects which are conducted on the same day are actually not interrelated, so it would be a easy task for you. But yes, you would have to check the city in which you are appearing for. And since the notification has been released only till 20th right now, students who are traveling to and from might have to wait for another notification for the next slot to occur. So this is the list of exams. Usually we have seen that the languages have been towards the end. So specific subjects like geophysics, horticulture, physiotherapy, etc. have been kept in the later sections as well. But usually for the later sections, it's mainly the languages with some sections from other disciplines as well. So these are the complete list for your CUET PG examination. Wish you all the best. Prepare well, practice well. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect us. And for all of these subjects that you can see in the list at exam PYQ, we do offer notes, lectures and PYQs. All of those are available separately. So whatever is required, you can go for it. Wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in.